Hello friends and welcome to my channel. My name is Božica. I'm qualified interior designer and color specialist. In today's video, I'm going to review another color from Dulux. It is beautiful and I know many of you have requested for me to review this color. So without further ado, let's go. So today I'm going to review a paint color called White Exchange Half. It is really beautiful. When we compare it to a pure white with no undertones, we can definitely see the difference. White Exchange Half has an undertone and it's a lovely green undertone. This particular color works really well with your grays with a green undertone. And very soon I'm going to show you the colors that I have chosen that would work really well. It's a timeless, beautiful color and it would work with many different styles of homes. Now, what we need to pay attention to that it throws that lovely soft gray-green undertone. The LRV for this color is 77, which is telling us that if you, it is very bright, but not bright as your whites would be. So it's a very warm color. It has a lot of warmth. But it's not going to brighten your space up. Where this color would work really well if you have lots of windows, lots of open space, and you want to calm down the space a little bit, then this color will do that work for you. Not only that, because of this beautiful undertone, it would also work well with a lot of stones that have a gray-green undertone. So if you want to paint your kitchen, this color would work like magic as well. It's very timeless. So if you are building a new home or renovating and you want to use this color, just pay attention to the undertones, what you are selecting. And if you're not sure how to do that, I have created an online course where I teach you all that, how to recognize undertones, how to choose the paint color based on everything that you have selected, how to create and choose all the colors for open space living using neutrals. So you don't have to have any interior design background. If you follow my 10 steps, you're gonna nail neutrals on the end. Now I have here two other colors that I have selected. I know that we are in this time where we are very that we absolutely love neutrals and they're very popular at the moment. A little bit of beiges, a little bit of grays. So let me show you the colors that I have selected that would work really well with this color. I would definitely pick for the architrave skirtings and doors pure white. It will create a lovely contrast. I would not paint everything in this color. I mean, you can, there's nothing wrong with it. If you want to commit to this and paint everything in this color, you can go for it. But for me, if you have beautiful architrave skirtings and doors with lovely profiles, I think when they're painted in crisp white, they're absolutely stunning. Not only that, you are creating a lovely contrast from the wall to the other elements. So I'm going to introduce these two other colors from Dulux. This one, it's called Silo Grain. It's a lovely gray with a green undertone again. So you can introduce this through your furniture and accessories. And then I have gone for another gray with a green undertone. This one, it's called Shadow Catcher. It's also beautiful. So this would be your color scheme if you just want, if you don't want any pop of color, you just want your neutrals with different warmth, with different strengths, but same undertone. So these are your gray with the green undertone from the very lightest to very darkest. So I will pop all the names below and then you can have a look. Color is the last thing you choose, not the first thing you choose in your home. So creating a color scheme is a must, and I teach you all that. If you want to nail that space, especially when you're working with neutrals, you need to understand what undertones you have in your space in order to choose this color properly. Now when it comes to flooring, you have to pay attention. If you are going to choose a tile as your flooring option, your tile has to have a gray with a green undertone. It doesn't matter if it's lighter or darker like this. doesn't really matter as long as the undertone is the same. If you don't know how to test undertones, how to recognize them, I can teach you all that in my online course. You will save yourself thousands of dollars, headaches, and you will be able to choose things the right way. Now, when it comes to wood flooring, it would work really well, this color combination, with your dark wood flooring. As I said in many other videos, I would stay away from very orange and very red flooring. All the other floorings are fine. Just if you have that really prominent orange or red mahogany, yeah, these colors would not really work well. They would work well in a furniture wise, but for walls it would be best to have a crisp white just to calm those undertones down. And in one space you can only have two undertones, and certain undertones don't like to be paired well together. That's another thing when it comes to neutral. You need to understand which ones would work really well together with each other. Now, when it comes to outside, yes, this color would work like magic. It is absolutely stunning. It has enough depth. It's timeless. It would work really well with the landscape that you create. That lovely gray-green undertone will pop through, but it's just timeless. For me, I would definitely highly recommend using this color outside, whether it's a weatherboard house or you are rendering this house. The only thing I want you to pay attention, if you're having a red brick, you don't have a lot of options when it comes to neutral colors. You only have two, and again, depends on the brick and the undertone that it's coming through. But that's a story for another day. And that is it for me in this video lesson. I hope you liked this review. If you have any questions, please feel free to text me and I will get back to you with the answer. That is it for me for now. Have a lovely day. Ciao.